do you feel that having, because you've had dogs in the past that, didn't have a button, didn't have a board to talk. Do you think your kind of relationship or an understanding with Stella has been deepened by kind of having a shared language where you guys can communicate a lot better?
Oh my gosh, absolutely, yes. It's pretty wild to think about. I, I was really close with our family dog growing up, Wrigley. She was a boxer. She was so sweet. She was very, very communicative. She was always standing in front of us whining. We would kind of cycle through, do you want to go outside? Do you want to play? Do you want a treat? And if it wasn't one of those things, she would still stand there and whine, and we had no idea why. And now I think back and I'm just like, wow, what was she trying to tell us? Was she thinking about our grandparents' dog who would come over, or was she missing one of my sisters, or, what was it? But even just thinking about Stella, like when I first started out teaching her, I look back at videos and see how frustrated she was. She was whining so much more, and I didn't know what she wanted. I didn't know what she was trying to say. And so having that ability to know what she needs, to understand what's important to her, what she's thinking about, I feel like I truly know a lot of what's going on in her mind, and can care for her better because I understand her needs and can serve those better for her. So I think I can't even really comprehend it sometimes how much it's changed our relationship, but it's very special.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's what's so cool about it. And I think so many times with our dog Murphy of how she's just afraid of something that's, just going in the car or something like that. And I'm like, I wish we could just communicate with her and let her know that it's nothing, it's all cool. It's fine. Nothing to be afraid
Right.
of. And it would just make her so much less stress for her. I think if we could really get, if we could do what you've done.
That's something I've noticed too with Stella. Just, I think I talk about this in my book. Just when Stella knows what's happening, she's so much less anxious. That sounds really simple. Like, obviously, if she knows what's happening, she's going to be less anxious. But I think about all the times that we would just bring her in the car and she had no idea where we were going or what we were doing. And when I just tell her, we're going in the car, we're going to the park, or going in the car, going for a walk, she's able to settle down so much more because she knows what to expect, for what's happening next. And I think just helping, having this shared language and realizing that dogs can understand words and have the ability to use words back just allows us to connect with them on such a deeper level and help them feel safer and secure and know what's going on in their environment.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. This is my dog, Murphy, and these are dog treats. Now I'll give Murphy one of these dog treats, and all you have to do is press the like button. Just press that little like button right down there at the bottom of this video, and this sweet, adorable, cute little puppy gets a treat. All thanks to you. Alright, you did it? Okay, I believe you if you said you did it. There you go, Murph. She got that treat because of you. Now, I'll eat one of these treats. And all you have to do is click that subscribe button right there, pointing to it. Just click that subscribe button, subscribe to Curiosityness with me, Travis DeRose. Get lots of good video, and I'll eat this treat. All right, you did that too? That's not very good. Bro, not very good.